Hi guys, today is Monday, April 20th, and I wanted to touch base really quickly about what this week is going to look like. If you didn't know already, this is only a 4-day school week. Friday was originally a no school teacher in service day, so you still are not going to have school. You don't have to do any assignments on Friday, so make sure you know that. You only have 4 days of work this week. If you look over on my screen, you'll see that today you did not have a DOL assignment. So if you were looking for it, I honestly didn't put one there because I completely forgot. And I woke up this morning thinking about making these videos and realized I did not give you a DOL. So I'm not going to. You don't have to do it today. Okay. Make sure that by today, if you have not done this over the weekend, that you have your introduction to your personal narrative done, just that first paragraph. I'm going to be going in and looking to make sure that those are finished. So if you want any feedback or anything, I can give that to you. Notice, though, I wrote down that you do not have to submit this. So if you open a document in this section of Google Classroom where I posted personal narrative, if you just open your document there, all you have to do is write that first paragraph. Don't submit it because then you'll have to unsubmit it later. I can still go in and see it even if it's not submitted. Okay. Second, on Tuesday, you're just working on your personal narrative. That's it. I'm going to post today what should be included. You're going to need to have some dialogue, some descriptive language. It's going to need to have like a lesson learned at the end of it. So be on the lookout today. I will add to that personal narrative assignment like the list of things that should be included in your narrative. So that way, as you're writing, you can check to make sure it's all in there, okay? It'll just be like the rubric that it's going to be graded on. There is not a length requirement, but just make sure that you're including a lot of detail. And again, all of that will be posted today, okay? Wednesday, you're just working on your personal narrative again. Okay, it's going to be due on Thursday. Personal narrative is due on Thursday. So that's all you're doing this week for me is checking in tomorrow and Wednesday with DOLs and then turning that personal narrative in on Thursday. I'm going to give optional Zoom meetings if you want to do a Zoom chat. On Wednesday, there will be the possibility to do that. I think only 2 people did last time, but I just want to put that in there in case you have questions about your narrative. And then otherwise, that's all you're doing, 2 DOLs and working on your personal narrative. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I'll see you soon.